am Sherlin, Standard 8, studying Lourdes Girls Higher Secondary School. I am also a student of Junior IES Academy.
In this video, Standard 8 Science, Force and Pressure. What is contact force and non-contact force? We see in detail. Welcome friends. Pleasure morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about Standard 8 Science, Force and Pressure. The topic is Force and Pressure. Part 2. The force it not only charges, the changes speed of an object but also the direction of the object. For example, in cricket, a batsman places shot by applying force on the ball with a bat. Here the ball is thrown in a straight path, but the batsman hits the ball, thereby changing the direction of motion of the ball. Similarly, in the game of volleyball, we can find that the players often push the moving ball to their team. So, in both these examples, we can say that there is a change in direction of the object due to the application of force. Now, this change either and speed of an object or the direction of motion of the object or sometimes both in this timed as the change in state of a motion, and thus a force may bring a change in the state of motion, but it doesn't mean that the application of force would always result in the change in the state of the motion. For example, there is no effect in the force if we try pushing a wall, so that we cannot say that force always changes the state of motion. The next effect can be observed in forces applied is that it can change the shape of an object. That is, when we need a doubt, we apply force and there is a change in shape of the duck. Similarly, when we stretch a rubber band because of the force, there is a change in shape of the rubber band. Similarly, is the case of a balloon. When we apply force, the inflated balloon, it changes its shapes. So, from all these examples, we can say that the force can change the shape of an object. So, from these two slides, in short, we can say that a force may make an object move from rest. It can change the speed of an object. If it's moving, it can change the direction of motion of an object. It can change the shape of an object, and it may cause some or all these effects. So it is important to remember that none of these actions can take place without the action. For a force that is an object, it cannot move by itself or it cannot change the speed by itself. Always a force is required. The next topic. The next topic is types of forces. Forces are classified into two: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are again subdivided into two: muscular forces and friction. Non-contact forces are again subdivided into three: magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Now let's see each of these in detail. The first one is contact force. To lift a book lying on the table, we require to touch the book. Similarly, to hold a bucket of water, we need to touch the bucket. That is a physical contact is required. So, generally, to apply a force in an object. Your body has to be in contact with the object and the force that can be applied